Hi everyone, Happy New Year to you and your family. So this video is all about SpiceJet hiring ground staff and I will mention it. Graduation is mandatory for this guys. So male and female both can apply for this interview. I'm going to screen share a little bit so that it will help you. Link in description is given. If you are very new to this aviation industry and you are searching for the job, this video is for you. So do not forget to subscribe my channel and yes, like कर देना ताकि आप बाद में वीडियो देखने के बाद भूल ना जाओ कि मैंने मेहनत करी थी आप सभी के लिए इतने सारे ठीक है. So I'm going to help you with all the locations vacancies. So watch this video and do comment if you have any different locations on your mind and you want to go for that location or you are from different locations जिसकी वैकेंसी ही नहीं आ रही है. सो कमेंट में मुझे ज़रूर बताना. मैं चीज़ों को ध्यान रखती हूँ और जहाँ जहाँ मुझे वैकेंसी मिलती है पर्टिकुलर लोकेशन के ऊपर मैं वीडियो बनाती हूँ. सो जस्ट लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन गाइस एंड डू नॉट गेट डीमोटिवेटेड जस्ट बिकॉज आपके लोकेशन में इंटरव्यू नहीं हो रही है. इफ इट इज़ पॉसिबल आस्क योर पेरेंट टू गिव यू द परमिशंस टू ट्रैवल फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. एटलीस्ट लाइक ठोकर खाओगे धक्के खाओगे तो जिंदगी में कुछ सीख पाओगे. तो आस्क योर पेरेंट्स टू गिव यू द परमिशन टू go for the different cities also so that you people will learn and get some confidence, you people will get some experiences of the interviews also. It will help you for the long term in the future also. Like कोई भी इंडस्ट्री में जाओगे कहीं भी जाओगे इंटरव्यू का एक्सपीरियंस आपको बहुत मजबूत करता है. तो ऑलवेज डू नॉट मिस एनी काइंड ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटीज. इफ यू आर गेटिंग इट फ्रॉम एनीवेयर जस्ट ग्रैब इट गाइज. So let's get into the screen share where I will help you how you to search the vacancies and how you can go for the particular location. अभी मैं स्पाइसजेट लिमिटेड के लिंक्डइन पेज पे आ रखी हूँ जहाँ पे वैकेंसीज अपडेटेड है बाय स्पाइसजेट एयरलाइन. सो आप सभी को लिंक्डइन का लिंक मैं दे दूंगी ताकि आप इसमें स्क्रॉल डाउन करके वैकेंसी खुद वेरीफाई करो, लोकेशन अच्छे से देखो, चेक करो एंड देन गो फॉर द इंटरव्यू. ओके, सो स्पाइसजेट वाले मैं पेज पे हूँ. यहाँ पे स्क्रॉल डाउन करेंगे. वैकेंसी आ रखी है फॉर ट्रेनी सिक्योरिटी एग्जीक्यूटिव. इट इज़ टोटली फॉर फ्रेशर्स बट येस ग्राउंड स्टाफ के लिए हमेशा आपका ग्रेजुएट होना मैंडेटरी है. इवन इफ यू आर इन द लास्ट सेमेस्टर समटाइम्स दे डू कंसिडर एंड समटाइम्स दे डू नॉट. सो यू कैन ट्राई योर लक. I will not say that do not go for the interview. If it is nearby, please visit the place so that you will also get some experiences of the interviews and it will boost your confidence somehow. Okay, so they have shared the images. Here it is written as it is for male and female both the person is standing here. It is for trainee security executive and security executive. Fine. So hiring for both. Now moving slide to the next page. It is written here the department is aviation security and the qualification is graduate. But if you are a BTech person or BE or AME or CPL holder, they will not allow you to go for the ground staff role because we all know that these roles are highly certified and yeah, obviously you deserve something bigger than the being a trainee or security trainee, something like that. So obviously they don't qualify person who are BTech or something like that. And freshers with good communication skill and a pleasing personality. Okay, age limit is 18 to 27 as expected from every airline. They are giving this kind of only eligibility and the registration or date has given 7th of January 2026 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Okay, so this is the time we have to enter and the location is Ahmedabad. So continuously every airlines is hiring for Ahmedabad guys because Ahmedabad needs a lot of as I will say that crew or ground crew. They need a lot because people are mostly shifting from one place to another or something like that. That is why Ahmedabad is always in a need of ground or ground crew or like a cabin crew. So yeah, this is the opportunity, go for it. And yeah, link is in description box. Still, if you are finding any kind of like questions or any kind of doubt, do let me know in the comment section. And you do not have to register online anywhere. When you will go to the venue, they will register your name and by themselves only. You do not have to do anything. Just take your resume and go for the interview. That's it. That's what they want from you guys. So this is it guys. I hope it will help you. I hope आप अहमदाबाद के लिए तैयार हो. जो ज्ञान मैंने वीडियो के स्टार्टिंग में दी थी, I hope it will somehow hit you on your mind and you people will think about it because it is important. So thanks for watching. मिलते हैं next video में. Do comment your location so that I will search vacancies for that location if possible from my side and I will update it on my channel. For that you have to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. इतना ज्ञान आज के लिए काफी है. वीडियो को लाइक करना बिल्कुल ना भूलें.